Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add audio in Capcut. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Capcut application. Click on New Project. Now go ahead and select your project. So scroll down and then select your project. Click on Add. Once you click on Add, for you to add audio to this particular Capcut project, what you need to do is go ahead and click on Audio. Then it should say Sound, Brand Music, Copyright, Sound Effects and Text to Audio. Now go ahead and click on Sounds. Then it should say the sound page opens. Now for you to use any of this sound, just go ahead and click on it. Then click on the sound to play it. Then you can just go ahead and listen to it, and thereafter click on the plus button. Then you should see the sound added to the video or the project. You can just press and hold it, drag it, then play it. You see that? So you can repeat this to add audio or add music to your project on Capcut. You can also come to where you say copyright, then copyright check for export, copyright check for posting on TikTok. You can export without EU. So if you have a pro plan, then you can export without any EU. You can also use a brand music. Then click on brand music and say no brand music yet. Upload brand music in your space. So you can just play around this to even record your own audio, which is voiceover. Then tap record. Then click on while using the application. Then press and hold the record. So this is me adding audio or voiceover to my Capcut video. So you see that? Then you can add audio effect. You can enhance your voice. Then turn on voice enhancement, or just go ahead and click on check to add what you recorded. So let us delete this and see what you recorded. So this is what we recorded. You see that? So that's exactly how to add audio in Capcut. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.